Hello, welcome back to Learning with Lauren. Today we're going to be learning about glass and how it was used in the 1800s by looking at some artifacts of the Vance birthplace. So come on, let's see what we can learn today.
Humans started making glass as early as 6,000 years ago. By the 1800s, glass was a common material, although it was expensive and not available to all people. Glass is made by melting sand at very high temperatures to create a new substance. Glass is neither a liquid nor a solid, but something in between. People have used glass for centuries as decoration, to make containers like bottles or bowls, and for windows. The Vances who owned this property were wealthy and could afford glass windows and other glass items. However, the 18 people they enslaved likely did not have glass windows or anything else made of glass in their homes. Likewise, free families with less money than the Vances might not have been able to afford glass items. We have several objects at the Vance birthplace that were made from glass in the early 1800s. Glass containers used for storing liquids, mirrors to check one's appearance, picture frames, clocks, and the window panes in every room. Glass windows protected the indoor spaces of a home or building from the outdoors. Glass kept out insects, rain, and some hot and cold weather. But because glass is clear, people could still see out of the windows or enjoy the sunlight shining through. Each of these glass items is a luxury item. For example, in the early 1800s, many people living in North Carolina would not have had a mirror, although wealthy families like the Vances probably had at least one mirror. Men would check their reflections when shaving, while women would use mirrors to style their hair. This mirror was made by coating the back of the glass with silver to make it reflective.
I hope you enjoyed looking at some of the glass items here at the Vance birthplace. Next, make sure you watch Kimberly's Crafting with Kimberly video, where she'll show you how to make a stained glass window using tissue paper and glue. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.